Shreveport has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Kaso Parish in northwestern Louisiana, northwestern DeSoto Parish in northwestern Louisiana, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Shreveport, Bossier City, Greenwood, Stonewall, Cross Lake, Keyville, Spring Ridge, and Forbing. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Kaso and DeSoto.